guys, Mom here, and I wanted to show you how I separate my measuring spoons in the drawer I use for it. In here I have separated this. This drawer here I keep my can opener in, and this one my pizza cutter. And I try to keep everything very simplistic, so like one kind of thing per container. And then over here I have my measuring cups. And then in this drawer back here, I keep all my measuring spoons. Now, you notice I don't use any of these kind of rings on them, because it's kind of a waste, because if you keep the rings, you either have to wash the whole set if you use one, or you have to take it off, wash it, and then figure out where it goes and fit it back in. So I just always toss these rings away after I get a set. And you notice I have two different sets of measuring cups and measuring spoons, so that way if I need a second of the same size and the ones in the wash, I still have an extra one I can use. Okay. Now I'm in my cupboard and I wanted to show you how I keep my spices. I have two Lazy Susans here that I keep stuff that we use quite often, and then a few things I keep out that we use like almost every day. Then I have another container in here that has our extra spices that we already have in the Lazy Susan, so that if we run out, they're just an extra one that's handy. And then this here, I have my bigger spices and salt and peppers that I refill the other containers with. Now this one has our spices and other cooking stuff that we don't use as often in that one. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!